The Mini-Star and Biostar use positive pressure, which gives you superior adaptation to your model, ensuring the accuracy and fit of your appliance. These machines can significantly reduce your lab expense by increasing the variety of appliances you can do in-house. Most of the technique videos in our Resource Center feature the Biostar because that's what we use in our commercial lab at Great Lakes. For most dental practices, the Mini-Star is ideal. You can use the Mini-Star to fabricate the same extensive variety of appliances that you can with the Biostar.
When fabricating mouth guards for patients having moderate spacing, orthodontic treatment, or erupting dentition, model relief must be provided. All relief areas should be made using a quick-setting stone material. When filling diastemas or relieving for tooth eruption, the stone material is mixed and applied to these areas. Then a small paintbrush is used to sculpt the stone with water before it sets. The same blockout procedure is necessary for orthodontic appliances such as brackets and arch wires. Also, allowances need to be made for moderate tooth alignment. Stone can be added to the labial or lingual tooth surfaces of which the tooth is intended to move. For model relief compensations over orthodontic appliances, the following items are used. The model is prepared prior to applying model relief. Remove non-anatomical model imperfections with a lab knife and fill holes with stone. Prior to this process, model bases are reduced with trimmer. Base should be flat and square to outer surface. Model anatomy is defined using lab knife. Approximately 10 to 15 milliliters of snapstone is mixed with cold water to a thin custard ice cream consistency. Then, with a number 7 spatula, stone is applied along bracket and arch wire area. Also place stone around buccal tubes. Blockout stone should be applied near occlusal tooth tips and extend to alveolar mucosa. A number 3 model brush is moistened and used to contour blockout stone to model before it sets. Allow the stone to set for 15 to 20 minutes before processing the mouthguard. An optional step to provide a uniform relief for tooth movement between the model and mouthguard may be implemented. A liquid separator is applied to the model using a brush. Then the flat model base is placed on the center of the platform with the heel of the model facing the open chamber on the left side of the machine. A relief material such as 1 mm thick copyplast is used and clamped onto the pressure chamber. A heating time of 50 seconds or Biostar code 162 is entered into the machine and then copyplast is heated with the lamp. Once heating cycle is over, remove lamp, Swing chamber over the model on the platform and lock chamber to start forming process. Let material cool for 1 to 2 minutes. At conclusion of forming and cooling cycle, release air pressure. Unlock chamber and clamped material and open chamber. Remove formed plastic and model from machine. Heat a lab knife with torch to cut away excess plastic from model. With a hot lab knife, cut along the vestibular and sulcus area of model where tissue meets model base. Continue along heel of model to a 5 mm depth below the gingival margin in palatal area. Create a cut from model cutout to outer edge of the disc. Remove excess plastic from model. Process the mouthguard using a single or two-step lamination technique. Also, a mouthguard strap or multicolored design may be made. Heat and form materials using Biostar or Ministar machines. Follow steps that were previously discussed to cut out, trim, smooth, and shine the mouthguard. If the optional relief step was incorporated as previously demonstrated using copyplast, it needs to be removed from the formed mouthguard material. Then continue with the mouthguard trimming and finishing process.
These technique videos, along with the other information on the Resource Center, can show you how to get the most from your machine and how to ultimately take control of your lab bill. Maximize the potential of your Ministar.